mainit. Alam nyo, sa aking obserbasyon, pag uminom ka ng mas mainit kaysa init ng katawan natin, mapapasok itong dila at bunganga. If you drink more than 37%, the body temperature is around 37.5 hot, the body temperature. Kung if you drink more than 37.5 hot, is burn. Excuse for those who are eating right now. Burn this tongue. Burn. Mainit kasi. Mapapaso ito. Basta more than 37.5 or 37. Wow. Coke. Talagang cook na cook ito. Hindi press. Wala, hindi. O, napuputol pa siya. Oh. Mm. Mm.